So in this lesson, we'll be doing something that is called symmetrically balanced photography. Now, to explain symmetrical balanced photography is that the weight of the photograph is equal to both sides. So when it comes to weight, we'll look at this example. So in this example, we have a building that we're looking upwards. Now, as you can see that we have it in the center, we have a line that's going upwards and both sides are equally the same. Or in this trail, we have trees on both sides leading up to a trail. So this is an example of a symmetrically balanced photograph where the weight on both sides is the same. Now, the biggest misconception about that is that both sides have to look exactly the same, and that's not exactly true. So in this staircase, we see that it doesn't look the same on both sides, or in this hallway that we don't have a monkey that is on both sides of the hallway. So just as long as we go to a certain point. Now here we have the bus ramp, and what we're going to do is that we're going to try to replicate this to make it look symmetrically balanced. So opening up an app that's called Photoshop Express, I will select the photo and I will select the collage option. So once I select that photo in the collage option, this is what's going to happen. Now we don't really want it to look that way, so what we want to do is to still make it look like we're going into the hallway. So what I'm doing is to make sure that the columns are on both sides, and just kind of pay attention to the center, that we see that little square in the center. So just kind of make sure that it looks like it's an even concrete and cement. So any kind of distractions that are in the way, make sure that they kind of like blend in. And so once we have it looking symmetrically balanced, just make sure that you scroll down into the more option. So I'm just kind of showing the different options that are available. But if you scroll all the way down, all the way to the bottom and select more, go down and just save it into your camera roll. So right here we can compare the photograph how it was before and then how it looks when it's symmetrically balanced.